Hello guys, today I will show you how you can hide your Instagram chats. So the chats won't appear on your main screen or your main window. First of all, you click on your account and click on these three lines. Now go to settings and privacy, and after it you need to type professional account and switch to professional account. Now click continue and click more continues and search, and now select what kind of creator you want to be. Now you can select the artist here and click next and OK. Now your account have been changed into a creator account and you have access to more professional tools. Now click on your account here and go to your messages, and from here just select the message and keep pressing on it, and you will see these options. And now you can just click on move to general and your accounts will go from main screen to general and no one would be able to see your hidden message. So thank you so much for watching the video. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Bye.